Morning friend, my name is Khatri Kunjan and I am a student of Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. As a part of my CPD project, Contributor Personality Development, I am here going to take an interview of Mrs. Sangeeta Khatri, who is a great contributor to the society. She is the district convener of the Bal Vikas Association, which is associated with Sri Satya Sai Foundation. So I would like to introduce you to her. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So ma'am, I am here going to take the interview of yours on the contributorship what you provide to the society. So what is the Bal Vikas and what's its role?
Bal Vikas is a part of Sri Satya Sai Seva organization. Sri Satya Sai Seva organization was started by Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, and this organization is running in 190 countries. This organization has three wings: service wing, spiritual wing and education wing. And Bal Vikas is included in education wing. Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba has started Bal Vikas in 1960 and it is running in 190 countries also.
So what is particularly Bal Vikas and why it's focused on education only? What it's provide to the society?
You can see today's scenario in the society is full of tents. The atmosphere you can see in whichever place you will go, there will be only tents in every family. Children have also too much stress in the school. They have too much classes and parents have no time to sit with child. In this scenario, Bhagwan Baba has gave more importance to Bal Vikas and he has started in 1960.
So what particularly does Bal Vikasa provide to the children? What courses or what type of education is provided to the children in this Bal Vikas?
Bal Vikas is not one activity, it is a divine mission. It gives child divine experience. It is an integration with divine. Bal Vikas is for total development and it has 5 domains. First, intellectual development, which is connected with truth. Second, physical development, which is connected with right conduct. Third, psychic development, means mental development, which is connected with love. Fourth, emotional development, which is connected with peace. And last, spiritual development, which is connected with non-violence. Between these 5 development, the 4th and 5th, emotional and spiritual development are not taught in the school. And we in Bal Vikas, we are teaching these things to the child.
Okay, so particularly Bal Vikasa, so which provides emotional and intellectual development to the children. So what does particularly this age group people or which group children come here to study?
Bal Vikas has 3 groups. First group is between the age of 5 to 7, second is between 8 to 10 and third is between 11 to 13 years. In first group, they are very small children, so we are teaching them only value games and value songs and visualization, meditation like that. In group 2, we are teaching them morning prayer, food prayer, night prayer, Gita slokas, meditations, stories, role play, group singing, group activities. And through all these activities, we are teaching them 5 main values: Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prem and Ahimsa, which are already in the child, but they don't know. So we are trying to bring out all these values outside. And last and final group is between the group of 11 to 13 years. They are very big children. So we are teaching them Jyoti meditation, Gayatri mantra, Adi Guru Shankaracharya's Bhajgovindam slokas, autobiography of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and Swami Vivekanand, and all these activities they are doing by themselves. They are doing through project. They are also they make their own project and we are observing. And through all these activities, the child feels that we are divine, we are not common, and we are the great.
Okay, so what is the particular output after doing all these courses?
The output of this class is children feel that we are divine, we are God. They do not feel any afraid, and wherever they go, they are become full confident.
Okay, in particular board exams also, they also
They are
feel
without
confidence.
tension. They will give very nicely and with very
Good potential
Uh-huh.
exams will be conducted.
They are giving
Okay.
exam.
So, what was your achievement? What did you get in your life by joining this association, and what was your own development?
See, this is a divine service activity, and if once you are doing divine activity, then you are directly connected with divine. You feel that you are divine, and you have full satisfaction, and you are always happy. My both children are also got chance to study in Sri Sathya Sai University, and they are now science student.
Okay. So, what will be your message to the youth? So, for this.
I will tell to the youth should understand our culture. Our culture is full of treasure. They should read our epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, and they should understand our Ved, Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved, Athar Ved. Through Ved, they will get full confidence. They will not need any personality development class, and they will really full confident.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your time, and I'm grateful that I got the opportunity to meet you and have a short interview with you. So, as we can see now that we can now to the youth message is be confident, have faith in yourself, and be divine. Thank you.